Hello all and welcome again to GERD-friendly Kitchen. Today's video presents something a bit unique in contrast to my usual cooking content. As I've become more aware of the importance of a healthy lifestyle, I thought it would be interesting to share my experience rather than being in the kitchen myself. After all, living a healthy lifestyle isn't solely confined to what we have in our meals. It's also about the movement we engage in, the fresh air we breathe, our ability to reduce stress, and our overall well-being. One of the important things I've learned on this journey involving a healthy lifestyle is that even small habits can have a considerable impact. Whether it's preparing GERD-friendly meals, staying well hydrated, getting adequate sleep, or simply taking a regular walk, there are a plethora of positive choices that add up over time. Today, I felt inspired to get outside and discover what nature has to offer. Hiking is one of my favorite means of disconnecting from screens and connecting with the beauty of the great outdoors. There's something truly calming in listening to the wind, seeing the landscape, and concentrating on each step as I take. During this hike, I constantly remind myself that health isn't a destination, but a journey. Each one of us has unique goals, challenges, and starting points. Just as some days are more energized and motivated than others, it's important to keep moving forward a step at a time. For those who are already following this channel, because you're interested in living a GERD-friendly lifestyle, I hope this video serves to motivate you to think beyond food when it comes to wellness. It is not only confined to what we eat, but also about maintaining healthy habits that involve lifestyle choices. Of course, everyone's experience is unique and important to listen to your body and do what's best for you as it works to improve your overall well-being. One of the reasons I wanted to share this hike is so that this channel can be more than just a recipe channel. Ultimately, I hope it can become a place where we can explore healthy living together and develop a sense of community. As I continue this journey, I truly hope that you join me along the way. In future videos, I plan to continue sharing GERD-friendly recipes, meal ideas, wellness tips, and occasional outdoor adventures we'll have along the way. If you have also embarked on a journey toward a healthier lifestyle, I'd love to hear about your favorite activities and how they help you stay well hydrated and motivated. Thank you so much for watching this video and being a part of this growing community. Your support is truly appreciated, and I'm excited to continue sharing this journey with you in future videos. Remember, if you enjoy this video, remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any future content in this channel. Until next time, keep active and keep moving forward one step at a time.